Hi, welcome to GDK Veneering. Today we've got a nardi steering wheel. Now when this came into us, it's a vintage one. All the woodwork was peeling away from the metal that runs all the way through the middle, which is aluminium, and it had oxidised, and all the wood, because it's solid wood, came away. So we had to strip it all off, clean it up, re-glue it all, and now it's all back together solid as a rock. Now what we've done is we haven't added any stain. This is natural colour. We've built up the lacquer, but as you can see on certain parts it's all ripply. There's pinpoints in it where the lacquer's sunk into the grain of the wood. So now what we have to do is we have to nib this back, i.e. sanding the lacquer back, and then we have to go through the respraying of it again to build that lacquer up into these potholes, so to speak. So I'm going to show you a little bit how I'm going to do that, and then you can follow us on YouTube or Facebook, Instagram, all the social media networks. Okay, so I'm going to put it into the vise, and then we're going to get a hard block, and you can see there that it all looks nice and shiny. A couple of potholes, so now is the time to start nibbing it back. I normally wear a mask when I'm doing this, but I can't speak while wearing a mask, so I'll just do this little bit, and you can see already that them potholes are starting to come out. If you see the ripples of the lacquer, I'm now sanding them all flat, ready for this to be resprayed once again, and then it'll be perfect. There we go, that part now, that this section is ready to be resprayed, but obviously all the wheel has got to be done, taking out any of these ripples, anything like that, keeping this distinctive black line that the nardi steering wheel has. You can see it's still there, but once it's resprayed it'll look beautiful once again. Like I said, I'm Jed from GDK Veneering. Please click like, share and tell your friends, and follow us on all the social media. Bye bye.